Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I bring you an update for the Crawlomatic plugin, once again based on your requests and your update ideas. So starting from today you will be able to scrape WooCommerce product regular price. So the regular price is the price before the discount. So this is an example shop where you can buy suits, and they have a regular price and a discounted price, and starting from today we'll be able to scrape also the regular price and also the discounted price and show customers that, hey, I am making discounts for you guys. So keep in mind that this will be available for products that you scrape to WooCommerce, and let me show you right now how to do this. So let me delete my previous testing and also my previous rule here, and let me recreate it for you guys. So I have here a product URL which I want to scrape, and let me paste the URL here simply. Now click settings and select generated post type products. So WooCommerce product, because I have WooCommerce installed and activated. Now let's go down to the bottom and search for product price query type. Here we can set auto detect, save settings, and the plugin will automatically detect the price of the product that we are scraping. So the product was scraped, and let me go to products, and here it is. So tailored fit gray suit, $141. It automatically detected its sale price, so the discounted price. Okay, now let me show you what will bring the newest update for Crawlomatic. You will see also here product regular price query type. So here we can pinpoint in the scrape page to the plugin the full price of the product, so it will be able to scrape it. So for this, go and click visual selector, click the price that you want to get, which is the full price, and simply save settings. Now let's delete the old product. Let's refresh this page, the product disappeared, and let's rescrape the product to WooCommerce now. And now let's refresh the page, and here it is. The price, it's full price, and discounted price also appears. And if we check this product on the front page, it is also appearing as a discounted product. Okay, so keep in mind that you can play with this new feature, so regular price can also be set, and yeah, this is pretty cool. So you can also strip characters from product regular price if you want to strip some characters from the product price. If you have on your site some parts of strings that you don't want to appear in the final price, then you can strip these characters using this settings field. This is also valid for the product price field, which is the discounted price, and this is the regular price. Okay, so if we leave the product price on disabled, let me show you what the plugin will do in this case. So in this case it will scrape the full price of the plugin, of the product, sorry, and it will set the price as the full price without any discount. So keep in mind that you can set this also to the product regular price and both to the product price query type. So if we go into the product price and we select here instead of this the full price, and we disable the regular price scraping, we will get similar results. So in this case we will also get the same pricing as we got previously. Okay, so this is the newest update for Crawlomatic. Go ahead and check it. The update is available in the version 2.5.8 of the plugin. Added product regular price scraping feature to WooCommerce products. Also, one more thing that I need to mention is that this will be also available in the original regular price and item regular price new shortcodes, which were added to the latest version of the plugin. So this holds the item regular price, and this is modified by the modifiers that you set in the main settings of the plugin. As you might know that you can increase the price by a custom value, or this is the original regular price which was scraped from the page, and you can multiply imported price and add to imported price a specific value. So this can be used for drop shipping, as you can increase the price as you wish. Okay, so this is all for today. Crawlomatic is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it, and yeah, share, like, subscribe, it's all appreciated. If you have any ideas for the plugin, let me know, or for any other plugins that I created. Until next time, bye bye.